Hi everybody, this is a super quick video to show you how to take through Design Space the four-sided explosion box that takes four cellophane wrapped snap bars in the side walls and has space in the middle for a column of 1 ounce deli pots. So there it is on my canvas. I've just brought it in from my library. As usual with multi-part cut file SVGs, the first thing you've got to do when you bring it in is convert all those lines that come in as cuts that actually need to be scores. So in my SVGs, they always live in that first group in your layers panel. So you can select the whole group by just clicking on the name of it, and as you can see, that's the second line down in your layers panel. So once that's selected, go over to your operations menu, click on basic cut and go down to score, and you can see that those lines have been converted now. And while they're all still selected, you need to ungroup them. And so on the desktop version where I am, that's at the top of your layers panel. It'll be elsewhere if you're working on the app. The second step is to select all the coloured cut pieces, which are in this last group in your layers panel, and all you need to do there is ungroup. And the third step is to select everything on screen, and the quickest way to do that is to click on that remaining group right at the top of your layers panel and ungroup a third time. And so now everything on screen is a separate piece, and you can attach the scores to the individual pieces that they relate to. You've got to do it piece by piece, not the whole SVG, or you'll end up with a project that's too big to cut. Okay, so the quickest way to select one piece, I think, is to click on canvas somewhere near any shape, doesn't matter where you start, drag a box to enclose it, and choose attach, which again on desktop it's at the bottom of your layers panel. It'll be elsewhere on the app. And you need to do that for every piece on screen that has score lines. These yellow pieces are the snap bar boxes that stick to these side walls, these pink pieces. So obviously we've got 4 snap bar boxes and 4 side walls. That's all those attached. These 2 plain squares here are the bases, and what you do, you get a PDF of assembly instructions with it anyway, but basically all the walls attached to a base, and then inside the box you stick another base on top to just make it a little bit stronger, and also to cover up the glue tabs that are on the inside. And this last piece here obviously is the lid of the box. So I've set the SVG out like this, because if you just attach these neatly together, they will cut on one sheet of 12 by 12s. So just select all those. This won't, it'll be too long, I think. Oh no, it does. That does as well. Excellent. And then these will also go. I think they'll even go. Yeah, they even fit on an A4. So it's quite an economical box to make, is this one, to say you can put so much wax in it. We'll just hit make it and see what happens. There, it's not going to allow you to pick 12 by 12 because it says it's too big, but it actually isn't. It's within the size, so just put your long mat through like it says. If you're on the newer machines, you have to use the long mat, and put some 12 by 12 on your mat, just a couple of millimeters down from that very top edge, and it will cut perfectly. On the older machines, you can even use the standard mat. I do. But I think on the newer machines, it checks the actual mat you're using. I think you might have to do the same with that one. Yeah, it's not going to let you. So I would just say A3, but actually put 12 by 12 on your mat, and it will just cut there. Okay, that's it. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to come back to me. I'm always happy to help. The links to contact me on Etsy or Facebook are in the description below. And if you've just stumbled across this video and you'd like to buy the SVG, the link to do that is also in the description. Thanks a lot. Bye.